Imagine a moment when change isn't just anticipated, it's already here. In 2026, India's textiles and apparel industry finds itself at the heart of a global transformation. A breakthrough U.S.-India trade agreement resets tariffs from 50% to 18%, restoring Indian exporters' competitiveness and reigniting industry momentum. On the day this deal is announced, Indian textile stocks rally, offering renewed hope for millions across the value chain. It's not just policy, it's a lifeline for industry and livelihoods. Meanwhile, India signs landmark free trade agreements with the UK and European Union, eliminating decades-old tariffs and opening over $400 billion in annual textile imports for Indian exporters. Industry projections show exports to the UK and EU could double by 2030, powered by newfound cost advantages and open markets. Yet access comes with expectations. Western buyers now require full traceability, ethical sourcing, and sustainability throughout the supply chain. India's domestic cotton supply and transparent production processes become a new edge, especially as U.S. policies redirect sourcing away from China. At home, powerful reforms fuel expansion. The PLI 2.0 scheme lowers investment thresholds and spurs innovation in man-made fibers, meeting fast-rising global demand. GST rationalization slashes taxes on synthetic fibers, freeing up capital and instantly improving manufacturers' margins. 7 mega textile parks under the PM MITRA scheme are rising across India, offering world-class infrastructure and integrated supply chains to manufacturers of all sizes. As barriers fall, India's share of U.S. apparel imports grows. American brands seeking resilience now look to South Asia for sourcing. Home textile exporters like Willspun regain lost ground, reclaiming shelf space in major U.S. stores and eyeing growth in Europe. In this new era, leadership is about more than scale. Companies investing in compliance, sustainable manufacturing, and digital traceability are best poised to win global orders. For investors, this is a time of both promise and discernment. Which segments and companies stand out? What metrics and catalysts matter most? 5 leaders emerge: Gokaldas Exports, Wellspun Living, KPR Mill, Vardman Textiles, and Garware Technical Fibers, each with a unique strategy for growth and resilience. Gokaldas Exports expands garment capacity to capture revived U.S. and EU demand. Wellspun Living restores margins and market share with advanced traceability. KPR Mill harnesses export growth and policy incentives for integrated expansion. Vardman Textiles advances as a top yarn and fabric supplier, while Garware Technical Fibers offers steady growth in technical textiles, diversified beyond apparel cycles. Looking ahead, scenarios range from seamless growth to more cautious progress, shaped by compliance costs or global volatility. But these leaders are built to navigate complexity and capture opportunity. By 2030, India could double its global textile market share, creating millions of jobs and billions in exports. This is a once-in-a-generation opportunity. The fabric of global trade is evolving, and India's textile sector is ready to lead. For investors and industry stakeholders, now is the time to engage and shape the sector's next chapter.